Hello, my name is Ryan Watkins, and I'm the lead landscape designer and consultant. And myself or one of my excellent team members are going to come out to see you soon. The first step is to figure out your budget. Landscaping is an investment, but we want to give you the maximum amount for the money that you want to invest into your property. There's a short-term budget and a long-term budget. So we want to know, what are you thinking about investing in the property over time, because that will affect the design. And then what do you want to spend on your phase one? We have additional resources for you to review before your consultation that'll help explain what normal landscaping elements cost. We also want to make sure that your expectations are met and that we've aligned the budget that you want to invest with the expectation and the results of what your landscape's going to look like. If you're going to do a large-scale project, or you want us to oversee it regarding design, you really need a landscape plan. The landscape design is going to give you a master plan for your entire property. It's going to give you location for hardscapes, whether that's walkways, patios, pergolas, outdoor living, pools, spas, driveways, anything that has to do with the outside of your property and how to enjoy it. Once the design is ready, we're going to have you come out to the nursery, present it in our design studio, and then we're going to walk you through every plant in person. You're going to be able to see and touch all the plants that we're recommending. We want to provide you with an excellent service from beginning to end. Whether we're moving you through the design process or we're actually doing a turnkey landscape construction, we want to move you through every single piece seamlessly. From beginning to end, Brownswood can bring you through the process. My family's been growing, designing, and installing beautiful landscapes for over 42 years, and we are excited and honored to transform yours.